Hey guys, it's time to change the oil in the 800. I finally reached the 200 mile mark. According to the book, that's what we're supposed to do at 200 miles. This is a break-in maintenance checklist. At 200 miles, right here it is. Change oil and filter, right here. 20 hours or 200 miles. The last time we went to ride, I hit 214 miles, so it is time to change it. So let's get to it. So according to the book, we need about 2.6 quarts with the filter. So this is all I picked up. I got it from the same place on eBay as I did for my Honda. So I got 3 liters, an oil filter, and a new oil ring gasket. Alright, first thing we gotta do is drain the oil. I'm gonna reach up in here and clean around this so I don't get any contaminants back in it. And it is a 19 millimeter. Boy, somebody had it's pretty tight. Now I don't have a drain pan. I'm just going to use a milk jug just like I did on my Honda. There's a little washer on that too. Make sure it comes off with it. Alright, inspect and clean that bolt if you need to. Take a rag and wipe the hole right here. Make sure it's clean. Tighten it down. Alright, now we got to remove this cover. What you do is pull out, straight out, and then push back. And right here is the housing for the filter. Let's get started removing this and change the filter and get some new oil in it. Wipe this off. It's an 8 millimeter, 3 little bolts right here. And this top one is a holding this, so remember to put that back in place. Set my jug under here to catch whatever runs out of here. Come out of there. See if we can get that up out of the way. There we go. Pull the old filter out. It'll only go on one way. You can see back in here. So just line that up with that right there. Clean this thing off really good. Inspect this right in here, make sure it ain't got nothing in it, debris or anything. Snug it just a little. Now the oil is over on this side. This is transmission right here. This is a transmission. Oil is right here on the left. Wipe this off. Clean this pretty good right here before putting it back. Now, I don't have, like I said on the Honda, I don't have a funnel, but I'm going to use a piece of the milk jug rolled up and make me a funnel. So we need to be up to the top of that line. We're pretty close to it. And you don't screw this in, just set it back in there. I need to add just a little bit more. So it looks pretty good right there. Let's start it up for a minute. Let it drain back down for a second and we'll check it again. Yep, that got me. Now we're right at the top. So I'm happy now. All right. We've about got it. Put the cover back on it and that's ready to go riding. There we go. That's got it. Well, that was the first oil change on the 800. The book recommended at 200 miles to change the oil for the first time. I showed you the oil that I chose and that's what I put in it. So she's ready for the trail again. So until then, hopefully I'll see you out there. Have a good one.